Bye guys, have a wonderful day. Good morning and welcome to my first a day in the life of a small business owner. So today my kids, they are back to kindergarten and school. Just waved them out. Gonna make myself a coffee and then gonna get on with it. Let's go. So that's me made my coffee, but actually I can't even drink it yet because I want to quickly film some shots for my Good Morning series on Shorts and Instagram. So I'm going to go do that now, and I'm going to show you the state of the table because I need to tidy it up. So that pile can wait till later, and then there's our collection of drinks, and I don't even want to talk about that corner. I'm embarrassed about that. So I've got a funny story about these cactuses. I want to make a mini cactus plant hanger, and I asked my husband to buy some mini cactuses, and he brought these cactuses, and now my kids are like obsessed with cactuses. It's like become their pet, and I don't think I can make anything with them because they've got their own thing going on with these cactuses. Right, that's this all set up, so I'm just gonna put my phone on here. It's really easy to do, and I'm gonna go do my coffee shots. So I've actually decided I'm going to drink my coffee, edit the Good Morning shot for today and tomorrow, and do a food shop. May as well. I've got everything set up. I'm just going to work from here for the moment. That's me just finished editing my short. Still have coffee left to drink. Went quite quickly. Now I'm going to go post it as a template on CapCut, and I'm going to then upload it onto my Instagram stories and as a short on YouTube. And then I'm gonna crack on with the shopping list. So that's me just finished editing those reels, doing the food shop. I procrastinated a little bit unfortunately, so it's like 10:30. I need to get on with some filming, and then I need to have some lunch. I've realised I've completely forgot to have breakfast. I'll quickly make myself a coffee. I'll do that bit of filming, and I think I'm going to go put Broadchurch on in the background while I'm doing that. That'll motivate me. Then I can have some lunch, and then I can finish, oh god, that bit of hair. Then I can finish that digital guide that I want to get out today. Oh, and the YouTube tutorial. Let's see. Right before I start this, I'm going to get the air conditioning unit on. It's going to hit over 34 degrees here, and our living room is on the south side. We get a lot of sun, and that's great for filming in the mornings. I get great filming material. My content looks very nice. The lighting is great, but it gets way too hot in this apartment then, unfortunately. So if I'm not filming, the blinds have to go down and the aircon unit has to go on. So I hope you can hear me with the aircon in the background. I cannot be bothered to turn it off for this moment. So I've just been editing my beginner essentials video for YouTube, and honestly I'm a little bit frustrated. It's very laggy. It's an old laptop I'm using. I'm thinking about buying a tablet or a MacBook. I'm still trying to figure out what I prefer because I'm not really enjoying editing on the laptop, but I don't think it's the problem with the program. I think it's just the laptop is old and it's just super annoying to edit with this. But anyways, once I've done this part, I'm going to go have a shower. I'm going to make myself some lunch, and hopefully then I'll be able to upload this to YouTube. But I've already done the thumbnail for YouTube, and I've done the materials list and I just need to make the materials list for my Amazon storefront to tag in the description for this. Right, so I'm going to take a break. I'm going to go jump in the shower, have some lunch, and then I'm going to try and get that video up on YouTube. So I've decided I'm going to do my skincare before I have lunch. That way after lunch I can directly film some intros and outros for the YouTube tutorials. I actually really struggled to stick to a plan. Like last night I made a plan about how I would have my day and it's completely changed. That's just how I work, but also I didn't sleep so good last night, so I can tell I'm a wee bit tired today. But I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna push through it. I'm not gonna put it off because I'm actually kind of enjoying making a day in my life off video. I've always wanted to do one, so today I'm doing it. I'm holding myself accountable. One of my first shorts was of me making something with macrame while wearing my LED mask. I don't think I would do that now. I would be way too embarrassed. So that's me showered, my face on. I'm gonna go crack on with some lunch, and I think I'm just gonna make it super easy. I think I'm just gonna have an omelette with toast. That's me on the way to get my kids from kindergarten and school, and then we're off to the park for a little while. So I'm really happy that I managed to upload this. The laptop has been super laggy all day, but I managed, and I'm really happy about that because that was on my to-do list for today. So I picked up the kids, so went to the park, and then I got home, did a last bit of editing, got that video up on YouTube, and now I'm off to make some dinner. And then when the kids are in bed, I'm thinking maybe I'll do another bit of editing. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'll decide later. And I just dropped my glasses. I'm a bit clumsy. The kids decided they wanted carbonara for dinner, so I'm off to do that. And the kids are off to water the plants just now.
That's enough?
So that's me done for today. I'm away to bring my son to bed. I think I'm going to end this here because sometimes I fall asleep when I bring him to bed. So thank you so much for following me along today. It was fun to document my day. I've always wanted to make such a video, and if you enjoyed it, please hit like so that I know to make it again. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!